Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. But I give something special things. I can telling you something special. What do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. So, these stocks traded at this moment 861 dollar, and these stocks trade and give return very poor return. Here you can see, but in the last 6 months these stocks give us approximately 100%. That means 12 money these stocks make in the last 6 months. And if someone see these stocks how much return give in the last 1 year, here you can see how much return these stocks give in the last 1 year. So last 1 year these stocks give approximately 600%. So very good return. Here you can see how much return these stocks give in the last 1 year, how much return these stocks give in the last 5 years, and how much return these stocks give in the whole return. 1000x return these stocks give. Here you can see, that means 1,00,000% return these stocks give to investor. So always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.